Hey guys, I just wanted to give a quick example of using the law of sines and cosines to solve some application problems. So in example 1, we have two observers that are 2.32 miles apart, and they see a hot air balloon directly between them. Observer A spots it at an angle of 28 degrees, and observer B spots it at an angle of 37 degrees. And we want to find the altitude, which is the height of the balloon, h. So that's what we're looking for. Now, we do have these right triangles, but I don't know anything about them except for a 28 degree angle here and a 37 degree angle here. But if I look at the entire triangle from observer A to B to the balloon, we see that I have two angles and the included side. So as far as the cases go, this would be an angle side angle case. And this would call for then using the law of sines. So the first thing I'm going to do is find out what this angle up here is, and subtracting those two from 180, we get 115 degrees. So what I'm going to do now for this problem is find, I'm going to go ahead and find this side right here, call that x. That's going to be the distance between A and the balloon. But I'm going to use that as a hypotenuse for my right triangle. Then I can use some right triangle trigonometry to find h. So set up the law of sines. The sine of 115 degrees over the side opposite, 2.32. That's going to equal the sine of 37 degrees over the side opposite it, which would be the x. So in cross multiplying and dividing, I'm going to get x equals 2.32 times the sine of 37, all divided by the sine of 115. And making sure my calculator is in degree mode, I get 1.54. And that would be miles. So this distance right here is 1.54. And like I said, that represents the hypotenuse of this right triangle. And so now I'm going to go and find my actual altitude or height of the balloon just using this right triangle. And I am going to use the sine function again. Sine of 28 degrees. That's going to equal the altitude h over the hypotenuse, 1.54. So 1.54 times the sine of 28, and I get the height to be 0.72 miles. And I can convert that to feet by multiplying by 5,280, which gives me 3,817 feet for my altitude of the balloon. And there we go.